All right, and this is our last section on two-step inequalities. Remember, you're going to solve a two-step inequality exactly like you solve a two-step equation. I'm just going to make a little reminder, though. If you are multiplying or dividing by a negative, flip the symbol. Just remember that. That was what we went over last lesson. All right, so just remember that. That's our little note for this section. So let's start off with example number 1. Okay, so I'm going to solve this exactly like if I was solving a two-step equation. I'm going to get rid of the 4 first by subtracting. So 3x is less or greater than or equal to 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So x is oh, see, I even did that. Not equal to, it's greater than or equal to 4. That's one of the biggest mistakes kids make, and teachers apparently. So x is bigger than or equal to 4. So when I go to graph this, remember we're going to put our circle on 4. This is going to be filled in because there is a line underneath that. I'm going to put the circle at 4. X has to be bigger than or equal to 4, so that means I'm going to shade all the numbers that are greater than or equal to 4. All right, so let's take a look at our check. So we're going to rewrite the problem. We're going to replace our x with anything in the shaded region. Now you could pick 5, you could pick 6. I'm going to pick 10. I think that's easy to calculate with. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So is 34 bigger than 16? It absolutely is, so that means it does check. All right, last example I'm going to go through with you. Okay, we're going to solve this just like we're solving a two-step equation. We want to get rid of that 7 first. Now that 7 is positive, so I'm going to get rid of it by subtracting. 7 minus 7 is 0. It cancels out. Now when you bring down the 2x, remember you're actually bringing down the negative 2x. Now 11 minus 7 gives us 4. All right, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. Okay, there's that negative. I'm dividing by a negative, which means I'm going to flip the symbol. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. All right, so we're going to make our number line. We're going to put that negative 2 in the middle. We're going to go 2 numbers above, 2 numbers below. Okay, so we have an open circle on 2, or negative 2. And all numbers that are less than negative 2 are to the left, so I'm going to shade to the left. All right, last thing we have to do is the check. So 7 minus 2x is bigger than 11. We're going to rewrite it. We're going to replace x with a number in the shaded region, and too bad we cannot use 0. I'm just going to use negative 3 right next to it. So 7, this is negative 2 times negative 3, which is plus positive 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 is bigger than 11, so that does work. That does check. All right, you have a couple more examples that I'd like you to attempt. Remember to